He's my fellow Romeo. That white duck is the girl. The one that's being noisy right now is the boy. And these are my shoes. I like them. That is Freckles. She's my bird. She's a love bug. I absolutely love her. They did already get fed, but I don't know who looked for eggs. So, don't mind the poop. Stop. Also, watch this. Oh my gosh, she won't chase me. Okay, so we got one egg. Duck egg. Sorry, I'm just closing it. But this is their coop. That's their little heat lamp. It's not on because it's pretty warm outside. But that black one right there. Yes, she's adorable. And then this one who tries to bite me. This one's Raven, one of the little love bugs. But the white chicken is Freckles. That is Juliet, Romeo, and Raven.